Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 15. This is Section 3.6, Problem 15. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 17 over 50. Now, with any of these where you have to convert a fraction to a decimal, the easy way to do it, if you can use a calculator, is just do the numerator, divide by the denominator, and you get the answer immediately. But if you can't use a calculator, you have to do the division the long way. So, set up a division symbol. The numerator of your division problem goes under the division symbol, and the denominator goes in front. So I have 15 divides into 17. So 17 is not big enough to fit 50 in. So write it as 17.0 and treat it as 170. So when I do it that way, what I have to do is bring that decimal straight up. So it's going to show up in the answer. So 50 divides into 170, that'll work. 3 50s is 150. 4 50s is 200. So 4 is too much. 3 is as close as I can fit. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. So that's my 150. Subtract 170 minus 150 will be 20. So it didn't go in evenly. I have a remainder. So what I have to do is add another 0, pull it straight down next to the 20. So the 20 with a 0 after will be 200. Now 50 actually divides into 200 nicely. I can see that it goes in 4 times. If you don't see it, just cover up the last 0. You're really just dividing 5 into 20. That goes 4 times. And you'll see. So put the 4. Watch what will happen. 4 times 0 is 0. And then 4 times 5 is 20. And now I get 200. So 200 minus 200 remained as 0. So it went in evenly. So the answer is 0.34. The decimal equivalent of 17 over 50 is 0.34. And as with all of these, you can just put 0.34. If you prefer, you can put 0.34. It's the same either way.